7th class mathematics simple equations. Exercise 4.2. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. In exercise 4.2 we have done already 2 problems. This is the third one. So give the steps you will use to separate and solve the equation. The first one is 10p is equal to 100. So 10p, we have to separate the variable first. So dividing the equation on both sides by 10. 10p by 10 is equal to 100 by 10. This is the step we use to separate the variable. Here 10 gets cancelled, therefore variable is separated. P is equal to 100 by 10, that is equal to 10. Next B, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. We will subtract 10 both sides. So because here plus 10, therefore we will do minus 10 on both sides. Therefore 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 100 minus 10. Both sides we have subtracted 10. Here plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore 10p is equal to 100 minus 10, 90. Then p is equal to, again dividing both sides of the equation by 10, we get 10p by 10 is equal to 90 by 10. Therefore 10 gets cancelled, p is equal to, here 0 gets cancelled. So p is equal to 9. Next one, see, p by 4 is equal to 5. Here p is divided by 4. Therefore this variable p is to be separated. To separate this we have to multiply by 4. Therefore we will multiply the equation on both sides by 4. So multiplying the equation by 4, p by 4 plus into 4 is equal to 5 into 4. So 4 ones, 4 gets cancelled. Therefore the variable is separated and p is equal to 5 into 4, 20. This is the solution of the equation. Next, D, minus p by 4 is equal to 5. Here minus p by 4 is equal to 12. We will multiply by minus 3, or we will multiply by 3 first on both sides. 5 into 3. So we get 3 gets cancelled. Minus p is equal to 5 is 50. Next, multiplying by minus 1. Both sides multiplying by minus 1. This is equal to 15 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So p into 1. P is equal to 15 into minus 1 minus 15. So solution is p is equal to minus 15. Then 3s is equal to 0. 3s is equal to 0. Therefore s is equal to 0. 1 by 3. 0 into 1 by 3. 0 into anything is 0. Therefore here s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0. That is the solution. Next problem, 2q is equal to 6. So dividing the equation by 2 on both sides, we get 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and 6 by 2 is 3. Therefore q is equal to 3. Solution. Next, 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. So subtracting 6 on both sides, 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore 2q is equal to 0 minus 6, which is equal to minus 6. Therefore again dividing both sides by 2, 2q by 2 is equal to minus 6 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 2 3s are 6. Therefore this is equal to minus 3. Left side q. Therefore q is equal to minus 3. That is the solution of the equation. By 3. 20p by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. So 3 gets cancelled. Therefore 20p is equal to 40 into 3. Next we will divide the equation on both sides by 20, so that to eliminate 20 from here and to separate the variable p. So dividing both sides by 20, this is 40 into 3 by 20. So 20 gets cancelled. 21s, 22s, 40. 3 into 2 into 3, 6. Here p. Therefore p is equal to 6. Solution of the equation. Next, second one, 3p by 10 is equal to 6. Here first we will multiply both sides by 10. 3p by 10 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. Here 10 gets cancelled. In the next step we divide both sides by 3. 3p by 3 is equal to 6 into 10 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. 3 1s, 3 2s. 2 10s, 20. Therefore p is equal to 20. This is the solution of the equation. మనం సాల్వ్ చేసిన ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్నింటిలో ఒక కామన్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే మనం రెండు వైపులా ఒకే నెంబర్ను ప్లస్ చేయడం కానీ మైనస్ చేయడం కానీ జరుగుతుంది. దాని బదులు మనము లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ని రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి తీసుకెళ్ళచ్చు. అప్పుడు సైన్ మాత్రం మారుతుంది. దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ అంటారు. జనరల్గా యాడింగ్ ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్, సపోజ్ p ప్లస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8 అనే ఈక్వేషన్ అనుకోండి. మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, p ప్లస్ 3 మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8 మైనస్ 3. రెండు వైపులా 3 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాము. అట్లా చేయకుండా ఈ స్టెప్ లేకుండానే ఈ 3ని ఇటువైపుకి తీసుకెళ్తాం అనమాట. p ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 3 ఉంటే ఇటువైపుకి వచ్చేళ్ళకి మైనస్ 3 అవుతుంది. సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ 3 ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ టు right hand side, or simply transposing 3 to the other side. When a number is transposed to other side, either from right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side, the sign of the number changes. p plus 3 is equal to 8. Transposing 3. Transposing 3, we will get p is equal to 8 minus 3. Suppose there is some x minus 20 is equal to 40. Then transposing minus 20, we get x is equal to 40 plus 20. As this has minus sign in the left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 20. So transposing means the added or subtracted number in the left hand side is transferred to the moved to the other side. Its sign changes. So in vice versa also, we can transpose a number from right hand side to left hand side. Same thing happened. The sign of the number changes. That is called the transposing a number. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాము. Number 1, 3p minus 5 is equal to 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Transposing minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, 3p is equal to 5 plus 10. Similarly, second example, 5x plus 15 is equal to 30. Transposing plus 15 to the right hand side, we get 5x is equal to 30 minus 15. This plus 15 became minus 15. Here minus 10 became plus 10. This is called the transposing. ఒక వైపు నుంచి ఇంకో వైపుకి మనం ఇక్కడ అడిషన్ కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కానీ చేసే బదులు ఆ అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆ నంబర్ని అదర్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే దాని సైన్ మారుతుంది. దీన్నే ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ అంటారు. ఇది నంబర్స్కే కాకుండా వేరియబుల్స్ కూడా వర్తిస్తుంది అనమాట. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఉందనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 మైనస్ వై అవుతుంది. ఈ ప్లస్ వై అటువైపుకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మైనస్ వై అవుతుంది. ఆ విధంగానే సపోజ్ 2x ప్లస్ 5p ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సంథింగ్ 20 ఉందనుకోండి, మనం 5p లేదా pని సపరేట్ చేయాలంటే 5p ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20. ఇది ప్లస్ అనమాట, ఏ గుర్తు లేకుంటే ప్లస్ 2x. ఈ ప్లస్ 2x అటువైపుకి వెళ్తే ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 2x అవుతుంది. అది ఆ విధంగా మనం ఈ నంబర్స్ని కానీ వేరియబుల్స్ కానీ అడిషన్ ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేసినప్పుడు సైన్ మారుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మరికొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాము. 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. So first we will divide both sides by 4. So 4 into m plus 3 by 4 is equal to 18 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. M plus 3 is equal to 18 by 4. Next, we will transpose 3 to the other side. M is equal to 18 by 4 minus 3. So 18 by 4, 2 2s, 2 9s, 9 by 2, 4.5 minus 3 is equal to 1.5. So solution of this equation is 1.4. Here we transposed plus 3. In this equation, we divide both sides by 2. X plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 by minus 2 is equal to 8 by minus 2. So minus 2 gets cancelled. This became 2 4s 8 minus 4 minus 4. Next, so x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Transposing this plus 3 to the other side, x is equal to minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7. So solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 7. Here we did not subtract 3 from this left hand side and right hand side. We just transposed plus 3 to the other side. Similarly here we just transposed plus 3 to the other side.